kind of intrusion, unscheduled event just before lunch. I'll not take much of your time. Uh, Seeing so many entrepreneurs in one place, gives a different kind of high. So I thought I'll also share what is that we have in store for you from Government of Telangana. So it is with this enthusiasm I have come onto the dais to tell you a few things about MSME policy 2024. It will be very, very brief. Before that, please give me please raise your hand. How many of you have a Udyam registration? So, as you all know, Government of Telangana has launched Telangana MSME policy 2024. Now, it basically aims to address challenges related to six important areas: land, finance, raw materials, skilled manpower availability, technology, and then marketing requirements of MSME. Under these six sets, we have about 40 interventions uh, listed in MSME policy, which will be available to all of you. I'll not go into details of that, but with these six interventions, what we plan to achieve a 10% increase in gross value add to the state, increase the availability of jobs by 20%, and increase in registration of MSMEs itself by 20%, and more importantly, this ensure the spread of MSMEs in a manner that they are evenly spread across the state. As of now, about half of the MSMEs are registered, clustered around in and around Hyderabad. So the idea is to take them to remote places, and then at the end of the policy period of 5 years, we plan to see to it that at least 10% of MSMEs they graduate to the next level. Micro graduating to small enterprises, small graduating to medium enterprises, and medium enterprises moving to the next stage. So that is the objective. With that, we had devised this policy. Now, I'm sure many of you are export related enterprises. What is that you have in MSME policy of Telangana is one is reimbursement of duty on samples that you import from overseas. Up to 10 lakhs, you can claim that reimbursement. And then import duty drawback is another feature that has been incorporated into Telangana MSME policy 2024. And the third important feature is events like this, like as Mr. Kulkarni was saying, reverse buyer seller meet, and other interfaces where you can interact with people who matter to you. It could be your exporters, it could be your suppliers, it could be your bankers. So one of the important policy interventions is we are going to organize large number of these kind of events, which will facilitate exchange of information and exchange of trade. So these are the few of the interventions that have been listed in MSME policy. Now, if you want, I can go into details, but you can get the details of this MSME policy from Industries Department portal. It's available on the Industries Department portal. You can go through it. tgipass.gov.in. .in. So this is what we have in place, and another important intervention what we have in mind is most of these export related activities they happen in and around Hyderabad. Most of the exporters are situated in surroundings of Hyderabad. We have very, very less presence in districts, and then most of the information that is traded between potential entrepreneurs who want to become exporters is through the network of available exporters or importers. We wanted to create a a point of contact in each of the districts where this information is freely available. We have something called district industry centers in all districts. As Mr. Kulkarni was talking about reaching out to districts, one organization that was left out was District Industry Center. Now, this is first point of contact for all entrepreneurs. So there we will facilitate the availability of information to all potential exporters. In fact, Government of India has come up with a policy of ODOP, one district, one product, and promoting district as export hub. So these two things converge at district level, and fortunately, with the formation of a new state, we have all offices migrating to one single location, integrated district collected complexes. So that is where you will find industries department people, and you will also find every other department which is of your concern in that location. The facilitation becomes easy. So I take this opportunity to, well, thanking Mr. Kulkarni for giving me this opportunity. I also request him that in the coming days we will, set up these facilitation centers in each of the districts, which is headed by Joint Director or General Manager, District Industry Center. And then any potential exporter or anybody who wants to import can actually reach out to this place and get all his queries resolved. And as we go along, when districts are developed as export hubs, it's a big shot, long shot, but as and when that happens, this will be a place where lot of activity relating to exports and imports take place. So I thank Mr. Kulkarni for giving this opportunity, and also request him to explore this partnership where we can reach out to more and more MSMEs, especially those located in the districts. Thank you all.
Thank you.